Hello everyone, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add a working wardrobe and make sure it is 100% working and fully set up. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so first what we want to do is go in the description down below and join my Discord server. It's going to be linked in the description. And after that, just scroll all the way down the channels. There's going to be a channel called Wardrobe. Just go there, download it, and then you're just going to import it to your project. I already have it imported. After that, you're just going to go in here and search glitched, and it should come up. Glitch Got Studios, and then just drag the wardrobe out. Mine right here in my little test area. After that, before we continue though, the requirements are you're going to need the wardrobe, working playfab, and the right Fulton, because other people had issues with the Fulton before. If you're not using the newest Fulton, you have to use the newest one. So make sure to do that, or you will get errors in your project if you don't. Next, drag your project out. I'm gonna do a head cosmetic as a test. So let's add that. And then we're gonna go to our Fulton VR. Okay, now we're in our Fulton VR. I'm gonna be using this cosmetic as a test. So you're just gonna click on the cosmetic that you want to use and then just grab the name, copy it. I'm gonna use video top hat. And then we're gonna go back in our project. And then we are going to go on the wardrobe. For head cosmetics, you're gonna set that as the name. And then I forgot one more thing actually. We're gonna go back. Okay, sorry, I forgot to mention something. You're gonna go back into your Fulton and you're gonna grab your head, your VR top hat, or whatever cosmetic, and then you're gonna drag in your assets. That's one thing I forgot to say. Okay, after that, you're gonna go back into your project after dragging it in your assets. There it is, okay. And then we're gonna go back to our wardrobe, and then we're gonna put the top hat inside of prefab. And then after that, this down here, just don't bother with this or touch it. The catalog name, you can put it as whatever, but I recommend just keeping it at cosmetics. Then you're going to open playfab. This is my test one, so I don't care if I show playfab ID. But you don't want to leak your playfab ID because problems can happen. You want to go to catalogs right here, legacy, new catalog, and then paste the same name as that in the wardrobe, cosmetics. And then I'm going to go to that. And then I'm going to create a new item. I'm going to go back. I'm going to grab the name from the wardrobe that it was. And then I'll put it in item ID, item class, and display name. After that, you're going to scroll down and make sure you have a currency name set up. If you don't, just go to currency, legacy, and then you can set up one up really easy. After that, I'm just going to leave the price as 0 because this is a test. Okay, there we go. And then you want to come back into your game, and then you want to click on the top hat or whatever, and then make sure the position is set to 0, 0, 0. It might not spawn perfect at first, so in game, after you get the cosmetic, you want to line it up and stuff, but there's that so far. Let's give it a shot actually. And then after that, you're going to want to just go to your players, click on your player, and then add the VR top hat. Let me do that real quick. Okay, now we're here on the player. You want to say grant new item, make sure it's primary cosmetics, and then item ID, VR top hat, grant in. It should work just like that. After that, you want to go back into your project, and then make sure that's it. Okay. Let's give it a shot actually. Let's push play on our project and see. Alright, and here we are, just like that. As you can see, it comes up. It was actually a perfect position. So, if you want your cosmetics to be perfect, make sure you set it as 0, 0, 0 as the position. If it's not set to that, it will be somewhere across the map, who knows. After that, you can test it just like that. If you just click on the button, unequipped, equipped, and it works, and it will be on your player just like so. There's not a lot of good wardrobe tutorials out there, so I really hope this one helps you guys a lot. And this was very simple to do. It's really not that hard, guys. I'm trying to hit 100 people in my Discord server, so if you guys can accomplish that, that would be amazing. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see y'all again. And new videos will be coming out soon.